Assalamu alaikum grade 9 students in the Lebanese International School. Imagine a sunny field. A brown and white cow peacefully chews on green grass. Have you ever wondered what happens to that food after the cow takes a bite? Today, we'll explore the fascinating journey of digestion. Digestion is like a big adventure happening inside our bodies. Just like the cow needs the grass to grow strong, we need food to give us energy. But food isn't immediately useful to our bodies. It needs to be broken down into smaller pieces, a bit like taking apart a toy and using its parts to build something new. Think about your favorite meal. Maybe it's hummus and pita bread. That delicious food is made up of large molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Our bodies can't use these big molecules directly. It's like trying to power a toy car with a whole tree trunk. That's where digestion comes in. It's the process of breaking down those large food molecules into smaller, simpler molecules that our bodies can actually use. These smaller molecules like glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids are absorbed into our bloodstream. Our bloodstream then acts like a delivery system, taking these tiny nutrient packages to every cell in our body. The cells use these nutrients for energy, growth, and repair, keeping us healthy and active. The digestive adventure begins in the mouth. As soon as we take a bite, our teeth get to work, grinding and crushing the food into smaller pieces. This is called mechanical digestion. At the same time, saliva, a watery fluid in our mouth, starts mixing with the food. Saliva contains special chemicals called enzymes, which begin the chemical breakdown of carbohydrates. Once the food is chewed and mixed with saliva, it forms a soft ball called a bolus. The tongue pushes the bolus to the back of the throat, and we swallow. The bolus travels down a muscular tube called the esophagus, which connects the mouth to the stomach. And the stomach is a muscular bag that churns and mixes the food with gastric juices. These juices are very acidic and contain more enzymes that continue to break down proteins. The stomach also acts as a storage tank, slowly releasing food into the small intestine. The small intestine is where most of the digestion and absorption happen. Here, the partially digested food mixes with more enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver. Bile helps break down fats, while pancreatic enzymes further digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi greatly increase the surface area for absorption. The tiny digested nutrient molecules pass through the walls of the villi and into the bloodstream, ready to be delivered to the rest of the body.